Bermuda grass has taken over our daylily and daffodil bed. Is there anything that I can spray to kill it without harming our bulbs? Normally, we have been able to control it by pulling it on a regular basis. I plan on putting down some different edging this fall to prevent the grass from getting into the bed again. Thanks. This is Max and Sally from Southeast Missouri. So yeah, they want to kill that old Bermuda grass, right? That's over their daylily and daffodil bed. That old Bermuda grass, right?
It's aggressive. It can
it's aggressive. It's a creeper.
Gets in your bed. Yeah.
Yeah.
But there is a herbicide that we can use, Fusilade or Ornament is what the homeowner can buy to spray that, and does not kill your daylilies. It kills grasses, but not the daylilies.
Okay. Yeah. Targets grasses. Of course, annual and perennial grasses. Yeah. Bermuda is a bear to try to control. Right. So I would still try to pull it up as much as I possibly can. Use what you suggested. Read and follow the label. Yeah, I think you'd be fine with that. Yeah, the different edging, you might want to try. How do you feel about the edging?
Well, we have underground stolons on Bermuda grass, and it can go under the edging, so that may help, but it may not control it.
Yeah, it definitely might not control it. But I would, I would do two different things here. I would continue to try to pull it up if I possibly can. And then, of course, use the product that you mentioned. Then I would think about a pre-emerge, moving forward. So I'll definitely think about a pre-emerge, in the spring, for sure. We hope you loved the video. We would love for you to ask more questions. Be sure to leave those questions in your comments.